just want to welcome you here to my home, wet, wild, and wonderful West Virginia, where you'll be teaming up with those outdoor adventure specialists from Adventures on the Gorge to head down the Grand Canyon of the East. The lower New River right here behind me looks kind of calm and flat now, but just a few miles downstream, after some practice, a little bit of Class 2, Class 3, it's going to pick up in the gorge, and we're going to see some Class 5 out there today. So let's take a pause for the cause and just meet you. All right, we got our first whitewater professional. This is Guido, and this is Guido's crew. You guys ready for this? Yeah. Got any first timers in the group? Yeah. All right, we got a whole boatload of whitewater virgins. There's another one right there. You ready, buddy? I'm awesome. Ready. He's awesome. You guys agree?
Too, yeah. That's his bit. It's his bachelor party.
Oh!
I know nothing about that.
And here he is, the man with a plan, the master of our whitewater disaster. This is Fidge, and this is Fidge's crew. I'll video you, and you video me. Y'all ready for this? Yeah. Oh, come on now, man. Heard more excitement out of a group of pallbearers. Let's hear it. You guys ready for this? Yeah. All right. How about you, man?
Deal, absolutely.
You got your sunscreen?
I'm ready to go.
Ain't gonna get burnt today.
Right.
Just wet.
No skin cancer here.
All right, and last but not least, we've got Scott, and Scott's getting everything all tied down because we're going to keep it dry, right, Scott?
Got to keep it dry today.
And this is Scott's crew. You guys ready for this?
Ready to go.
Right. Any first timers in the group? Any first timers? All time pros, right? Man, you're a pro at this? Hoorah! Hoorah! You guys ready?
How you doing?
Good, man. Hey, I just want to let you know before you buckle that, you got your helmet on backwards.
That's why I'm so excited.
Hey, Pinky, how you doing? You got yours on backwards too, man. What is that? You follow the leader?
That's actually my boss. He's my supervisor. I have to follow him.
Well, that's going to get things done here at the Get In. It's time for me to get into my kayak and get on down to the first major rapid of the day. See you there. And just like that, we made it down here to the first major rapid of the day. This is a Class 3 bend in the river known as Surprise. The water gets bottlenecked and constricts into some huge crashing waves. Like this one out here, the Surprise wave. It's just laying there waiting to embrace whatever it comes in contact with. So let's rev up the tunes and take in all the action for your first Class 3. Time to head downstream. And out of the river comes more whitewater action. Here at Upper Railroad, this is the Maytag Ledge. Another big crash and bash and ball of water. And continue on down towards the namesake, the railroad trestle. Once again, it's time to turn up the tunes and take in all the action.
tell me what will become of the youth of today and the culture blind to its own decay. Cause we're all caught in the big swing of things and the knots is tight by a bunch of little strings. What is happening to us? We've lost our way. This creature of appetite is bound to devour itself one day. We should make a home in the storm's eye. People come together and survive. Come on now, firewall, so quick to turn away. But you know it.
Good runs all around. Deep in the heart of the New River Gorge here at the Keny Creek Rapids, an upper, a middle, and a lower. Class 5 whitewater action. I position myself here at the middle because there's some big crashing, bashing whitewater to be paddled. So once again, it's time to rev up the tunes and take in all the action. Good runs all around, and I'll see you downstream. All right, down here to another Class 5 known as Double Z. Got our first boat coming in here to the reactionary waves.
Pounds and pounds of them takes by the miles. Pounds and pounds of them takes by the miles.
And up there it is, the world famous New River Gorge Arch Bridge spanning the gorge at 2,032 3/4 of an inch long, standing 876 feet above the river. That's where our last big blast of the day is, Fayette Station, Class 4. Alrighty then, it's time for destination Fayette Station, Class 4 Whitewater. For the last time, I'm going to rev up the tunes and we're going to take in all the action.
Down to the Logan County line. That's a thing or two that you can't say about the people that you find. Well, if you find yourself in need, you're down to your last dollar, you can sure as hell still find yourself one hell of a damn good time. Maybe it's something in the water that brings a raisin air to mind. In WV, when the sun goes down, you'll find the hell-raising kind.
Well, folks, that's going to bring to close another glorious day here in the Grand Canyon of the East, only in wet, wild, wonderful West Virginia, exclusively with Adventures on the Gorge. Pick up a brochure, check out the plethora of outdoor adventure activities that we offer, and remember, hope to see you in the creek soon.